Hey everyone, you're watching Sabirul on the Move, and today I'm here in Dubai. Tonight I'm taking you on a Dubai tour as you walk with me through the Dubai Marina, exploring the Jumeirah Beach residence and catching unbelievable scenic views surrounded by yachts, great food and a buzzing nightlife. If you ever wanted to know what the Dubai Marina really looks and feels like at night, this is it. So currently I'm doing the Marina Walk, which is a beautiful bridge which goes above the marina itself, where you'll be able to see beautiful yachts as they just roam past, and I'm looking at one right now. You're not gonna miss it. This is the heart and soul of Dubai. Just look at the view, absolutely sensational. And then you have the marina right here. Oh, the nightlife, I mean, it all just comes alive. Underneath the bridge is a beautiful walkway as well, just to feel the breeze. This is a sensational view. Would you look at that? And then when you have a yacht just floating past, beautiful. Look at how many yachts just literally parked up. They're all docked, owned by millionaires and probably billionaires too. Sadly, none of them are mine yet. And that's the key word, yet. This place has a very traditional feel to it. As we head down to the beach. This spot is the heart of tourism here in Dubai. It gives a full-on resort vibe. I mean, there's so many people, so many restaurants, so many hotels. The marina, the sea, the beach, oh, beautiful. I was just speaking to a young lady who was talking about the excursion. She was offering me a 1 hour or 2 hour marina boat ride. It's just a bit too late at the moment to go on that because I wouldn't be able to head back. That would be the problem. But all in all, really good so far. Heading to the beach, so can't wait. The beach at Jumeirah Beach residence, beautiful. I mean, it does go for quite a distance, but I really love the design of these buildings. Look at that. When you look across what's actually around this area, you've got a beautiful Ferris wheel over there on the other side of the river, and then this is an epic view of the beach residence. So why did I pick the evening for coming here? Well, it's not as hot, very breezy, especially when you're near the sea. I mean, nothing beats it. And to be fair with you, it's actually a lot less crowded, so you have a very peace of mind as well. Though it's busy, it's not as crowded as would be during the daylight hours. Right now it feels like it's 25, 30, though that's still hot for a lot of people. The breeze is what really hits you well. Now on the strip and on the hunt for food, because I am absolutely starving. So I'm not quite sure what I want to eat. There's so many restaurants here, and this is the problem. When you're spoiled for choice, it's crazy. You just don't know what to pick. So I'm here at Catch 22 about to have dinner, and I've ordered myself an Angus beef burger with fries and just a normal Coke. So can't wait. My stomach is absolutely rumbling. You can see the sea right in front of me. It's an absolutely beautiful view. The Ferris wheel just right in front of me too. This is absolute heaven. So my food has arrived and it looks absolutely beautiful, delicious, yummy, yummy. Whatever you can throw at it, it looks that. And I can't wait because I'm absolutely starving. I'm gonna take my first bite. So I got ketchup going on. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Oh, nothing beats French fries like that. I mean, you could fill yourself with anything and you'd be like, oh, it's the best food in the world. But this genuinely, even from a French fry, is really nice. But one can truly judge when they've tried their burger. Oh, it's big. Oh, That's an absolute banger. The wind. True epic food. Dinner done. And as I'm continuing to walk the strip, there are a lot of stalls, a lot of shopping places. I mean, whether this is ice cream, whether this is drinks, whether this is donuts, whether this is even some oud for smell, fragrance. I mean, it's endless pretty much. Walk past these oud stores, these mini sort of booths. They hand you one of these and I've been absolutely flooded. This is my fourth one that I got. It's really, really nice. Smells really nice.
Yes.
Indeed. It smells really, really nice. But do I want to buy? Not really. I'm not a perfume person. Do I smell? No, I don't. I just don't carry it. Obviously, perfume gives a really nice scent and stuff. But for me, it's just not my thing. But good sales technique. They at least handed me some of these. Unfortunately, I didn't buy. So maybe some tactics to work on. I'm actually now heading back to the metro because there isn't much else to see. So it was Jumeirah Beach residence, the marina itself, which was beautiful, the beach, I mean the strip, very nice, had lovely food, but everything else is just pretty much just hotels and more hotels around here, which isn't surprising considering a lot of tourists come here, but it is the spot to stay. I mean, if you are looking to come to Dubai and you want access to all the beautiful stuff, especially that a tourist would want, it's right here, right on your, pretty much your doorstep. The moment you get out of the hotel, you got the beach right in front of you. It's a beautiful, beautiful setting. Very nicely designed, very nicely decorated, beautiful palm trees around. And when you get to see the Persian Gulf, it's really, really beautiful. So if you're actually wondering, can you get from the marina all the way to the Palm Jumeirah? Yes, you can. Obviously, you either take a taxi or you take the tram. The tram goes from here, the Jumeirah Beach Resort, all the way, or the marina itself, all the way to the Palm Jumeirah, and that's where you cross over onto the monorail. And the monorail itself has 3 stops, which are beautiful, especially if you're sitting at the front row of the monorail. You get to see pretty much the palm itself, and one beautiful spot on the palm is obviously the view, where you're able to go right to the top to get a full view of the Palm Jumeirah itself, which is really beautiful. Highly recommend, especially doing it during daylight hours, because at night, though it does come alive with the lights, it's not as easy to see on the eye, whereas in the daytime it's a lot more clear and a lot more better for the photos. So I'm walking on the bridge again, just over the Dubai Marina, and you can see mini boats, and I'm sure more yachts will come. In fact, they're still docked over on that side. We walked earlier the bridge over there that you can see. So we walked over there and we've just done a round of the entire marina. To me, this place really does give a New York Manhattan feel. When you just look at the 360 landscape view, it is absolutely pulsating, and this is exactly the feel around Manhattan as well. I really love walking Dubai at night. It's beautiful, it's safe, there's no reason to fear. It's probably one of the safest places I've ever been to. Everyone's just so nice, and it's so clean as well. I mean, you'll just have an absolute great time just being here. And that part around safety, I cannot emphasize enough. In fact, some of my female colleagues who I know have expressed that they walk out in Dubai in the night without any hint of fear, and that's the great thing. Whereas in some parts of the world, it's not quite the same. Station we're heading back to, this isn't DMCC. I walk slightly further down. This is the Soba Realty metro station, and it literally just goes straight down Sheikh Zayed Road all the way to the World Trade Center. If you are looking to use the metro, it's fairly simple. You have one of those Knoll cards which you just top up, very similar to an Oyster card, and it will take typically around 3 dirhams, 5 dirhams depending on the destination. So if you are traveling to the marina, you can go straight there from whichever part of Sheikh Zayed Road you are on, because there's a metro station there. So en route back to the hotel now, but if you did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget the notification bell. If you don't press that, you're not going to see my next videos. And I've got more trips lined up here in Dubai, from a desert safari to also a trip to Abu Dhabi and more. So you don't want to miss out on those. See you on my next video. Next time on my Dubai adventure, I explore the thrills of the dunes, quad biking, feed hungry camels, and epically fail sandboarding. But it all looks bloody brilliant.